Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a product from Anker. This is the Anker Prime Ultra Fast power bank. This is the 20,000 milliamp and it goes up 220 watts. It supports 140 watts max fast charging, compact size, smart power distribution, and then he also works with the app. Let's see if it's anything else information that you may need, and there it is. So in terms of some information, I'll just keep this here in case you want to take a screenshot. So yeah, this is it. I've been playing around with it a bit. Let's see what else is in the box. So you get this charging cable for power or charging. It's 240 watts, it says on it. Really nice braided cable. And then you get this carrying bag, which I think it's they've adjusted it. I think it's a bit large for this, but it's still alright. It just protects your power bank from scratches. So yeah, let's just have a quick look at the power bank itself. But before we do that, let me just quickly show you size-wise how it compares against the others. So I'm going to show you the Prime. Unfortunately, I have it in a little case. Okay guys, so look, this is the one from previous year. In terms of ports, they kept the same. Yeah, just the output probably is different. And it has this nice Prime on the side. The button is a bit smaller. In terms of these ports, they look slightly different. But I was still able to charge it using the dock from this generation, which is quite cool. I'm happy they kept that. And in terms of weight, it's pretty much the same. But that's how it is. It is a bit more portable, if I may say. And now I'm going to show you the 27,000 milliamp Prime. Just need to take it out. Actually, I'll leave it. You will get the idea. It's just in one of these cases. But yeah, this is way bigger. So obviously this rubber thing adds up, but I don't want to remove it. Or maybe let's remove it. Okay, so it's more like tall is this one, but it's they definitely changed the cells inside because it is much slimmer, and I like this design where they added this under the glass, the name, where in here is just printed on the top. So yeah, in terms of the screen, I think it's the same screen size, but they just redesigned it as the new. If you go through these ones, they both have Bluetooth, but this older generation, the one that is in the same category, didn't have the Bluetooth. Now they added it on this as well. And there's things that they've removed. I feel like it's much more simple on this, where on this one you had a bit more information about the charging cycles. They removed this in here, and how many times you can charge a specific device. And yeah, but otherwise it is easier to hold than this one. And they've done this as well, like on the old one the screen wouldn't rotate, or on this new one it does rotate, so you could put it in different positions. It all flips around. And now the screen itself is more towards the new generation, and that's where we have this one. But I think like the screen is still brighter on this. Obviously this is quite big, but it's 25,000 milliamp, so it's expected to be bigger. But in terms of the screen, I kind of like this screen a bit more than this. Not that it's just bigger, and it does pretty much the same. This one will show the battery health as well, and this one, actually this one doesn't show the battery health in here. They just show the temperature, but yeah, otherwise it's pretty much the same. Excuse the dust, but you see it still charges onto this, which is pretty cool. I really like that they allow it to be compatible with all the charging cases, and it's charging really fast. Look at that. Let's just quickly charge something as well, and we'll use this cable that came with. We'll put it through this so we could get an estimate, and we'll put it in the C1 and then into this, and let's see, what does it say? So it's charging with 7.3, let's say. And in here you have 7.7 out, and it does show in there as well. And I think I did dim the screen from the app itself. That's why it's so dim. Yeah, I remember it has higher brightness. Let's give it a quick go and charge this laptop as well. Interesting symbol. So now it shows, see if it's changing. Okay, the thing is, this laptop is probably charged, but yeah, you've noticed that a super fast charging cable was added. I think I don't have anything else to charge. I actually think I found something to charge. So this is a power bank from Ugreen, and I think this is 20,000 cells. So this is actually a good comparison in terms of size. Yes, it's exactly the same as it's tall, but then you will notice that it's actually slimmer. So let's just try and charge this, see if it allows me. Because sometimes the only nice thing about this one is this retractable cable. It's there every time you need it, so you don't need to worry about carrying additional cables. So let's just plug this in here, and let's see. Hopefully it's charging towards here rather than this one charging the other one. Okay, so you notice that it's charging more. So this one says in, so it's charging. Okay, so look, it's charging this with 90. Okay, what was it? 100 watts is charging this one, which is quite cool. Well, let's see, it should change very fast to 149. So let's just wait a bit. Okay guys, so just a few 1 or 2 minutes later, and it's 79. This is a nice alternative as well, and it's quite a nice price. But yeah, this is working really well. So yeah, let me just disconnect them both and take this away. So yeah, in terms of let's see, while it was charging, if it changed the temperature. No, it's still normal, so that's good. Really good. Power bank is exactly what you want on the go, and yeah, it's doing the job as it should, and you don't really need so many like I have. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.